Hello. Before starting work with R, I want to introduce it. R is a language and environment for statistical computing and graphic that provides a wide variety of statistical and graphical techniques. It is available as free software under the terms of the Free Software Foundation's General Public License. It compiles and runs on a wide variety of Unix platforms and similar systems like Windows and Mac OS. R is an integrated suite of software facilities for data manipulation, calculation, and graphical display. It includes an effective data handling and storage facility, a suite of operators for calculations on array, in particular matrices, a large, coherent, integrated collection of intermediate tools for data analysis, graphical facilities for data analysis and display either on screen or on hard copy, and a well-developed, simple and effective programming language which includes conditionals, loops, user-defined recursive functions, and input and output facilities. The term environment is intended to characterize R as a fully planned and coherent system rather than an incremental accretion of very specific and inflexible tools, as is frequently the case with other data analysis software. I prefer to think of it of an environment within which statistical techniques are implemented. R, like S language, is designed around a true computer language, and it allows users to add additional functionality by defining new functions. So that's all with the introduction of R, and see you in the next video tutorial.